Hey y'all, it's Quay and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I lay my wigs down. And this wig came from Dyhair777. I'll put the link down below in the description box. And their wig already came plucked, as you can see. And they actually did a good job with the plucking. Like, I was really surprised. The only thing is the hairline. It's like too perfect. So I plucked the hairline a little, so it won't be like a super straight line. And then after that, I just like part and pluck, if that makes sense. So just like part the hair and then pluck. Just don't pluck too much because you don't want to have like bald like patches on the lace because that would be like really noticeable. So just just make it look natural. And please don't be heavy-handed like me because you don't want to like snatch a hole in the lace. So make sure you're plucking little pieces of hair at a time and don't like be so heavy-handed because I made a mistake and destroyed one of my laces by like plucking a hole in it and it just looks super bad. But and that's the hair that I plucked. It looks like a lot, but it really wasn't. And this is the finished look after I plucked. And the lace looks different, like a different color because I took the wig cap off of the mirror. So I'm not going to bleach the knots. So instead, I'm going to use my foundation to tint the lace. And I'm just going to take, that's all you need is a little bit. And then I'm going to put it on a makeup brush and then just brush it on there. Brush it on there lightly though, because you don't want the foundation to get on the roots of your hair. So yeah. So now it's time to secure the wig, and I like to use Gorilla Snot glue, and I place the gel like um, right before my edges. Like please do not place the gel on your edges because your edges will come straight out when you take the wig off. So that's the perk of having a big forehead because when you have a big forehead, you have extra room. So so yeah, that helps a lot. So now I'm blow drying the gel until it gets tacky. Like you don't want it too dry and you don't want it too wet. You want it like in between. And then I'm putting a second layer on top of that. And then I'm going to blow dry it again after that so it could have that tacky texture again. So now I'm gonna place the wig on. This wig has a comb in the back and a comb on both sides of the head, and then it also has a front comb. A lot of people don't like front comb, so if you don't like the front comb, just like take it off. But I like the front comb. I feel like the front comb helps the lace stay more stable. Because I feel like if you don't have a front comb, it like makes the lace push back a little bit, and I don't like that. But yeah, so now I'm just laying the lace down, making sure that it fits around my ear correctly. And if your forehead isn't big enough for that, you can also use a wig cap to protect your edges. So that's an option as well for you guys. And I also like to lay the wig down using a rat tail comb because if you use your fingers, that's not a good method because your fingers has oils on them. So that oil will pretty much not make the gel stick. So try to use like a comb or something to lay the wig down. And now I'm going to blow dry it again to make sure that it's secure and won't move anywhere. And now I'm just spritzing my hair with water just to lay it down a bit. And when it comes to the baby hairs, like, I don't like to go overboard with it. I want it to look as natural as possible. Like, I don't want my baby hairs to look like it's glued down to my forehead. So what I like to do to make them look natural, I just gel down the roots of the baby hairs and let the ends just flow and do what they want to do. Now, ain't them baby hairs looking natural, y'all? Like, don't be going overboard making y'all edges into a whole Picasso, okay? Like, just let them do what they want to do. So this is like one of my favorite hairstyles with curly hair, just to put one side behind my ear. I think that looks really cute. So yeah, y'all, if y'all like this video, can y'all please like and subscribe, please? I will for sure be making more videos because I'm not taking summer classes this summer. So I have a lot more free time. So be expecting a lot more videos from me. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.